This 2020 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 29M is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, TV antenna, oven, self-contained, air conditioning, refrigerator, DVD player, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, microwave, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. This 2020 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 29M is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.